Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by organizing signal flow and choosing hardware. This sets the rest up. Plug the mic into the preamp or audio interface, then route to your DAW. Once done, select 48K HZ and 24-bit for balance of quality and headroom. Make sure phantom power is enabled for condenser mics. Next, set gain so peaks average near -12 dBFS. This prevents clipping while preserving dynamics. Finally, monitor latency and headphone mix so you can record comfortably and accurately. Now address the room and the signal chain to get a clean take. You should reduce reflections with absorption panels at first reflection points and add bass traps for problematic low frequencies. This changes what the mic actually captures. Then manage the source. Use a pop filter, tilt the mic off-axis for plosives, and aim for 6 to 12 inches distance to control proximity effect. Once levels are steady, insert a high pass around 80 Hz, gentle compression for consistency, and subtle EQ to remove muddiness. Finish by capturing and verifying great takes so you don't chase problems later. Record multiple test takes and critically listen on neutral monitors and a reference pair of headphones. Compare levels and tone, then perform comping to assemble the best phrases. Make tight edits with short crossfades and remove distracting breaths or clicks. If you encounter persistent background noise, apply a noise gate or spectral repair cautiously. Otherwise, re-record with improved isolation and mic technique to solve issues at the source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.